We're here in Phoenix at Truck Access Plus showing you a premium hard folding bed cover option for your truck. This is the UnderCover Armor Flex, their latest heavy duty hard folding cover. This cover is all secure with the tailgate lock. There's no way to get in until this is down, and then you can easily pull a cable one at a time. And it's got a lot of different locking options. You can buckle it here for partial access. There's secure straps here. You can go one more time up and lock this cover up. Keep it from leaning against the back so you get the full bed access. The Tacoma has holes already preset from the factory to drain water. So the drain tubes are optional on this truck. Most of the time they are put in through the bed. This has holes already, so they're optional on the Tacoma. You can also remove the cover off the rail super easily with just a single bolt on each side that simply screws out with 0 tools, and boom, the cover's off. The best thing about this cover is the heavy duty finish. It looks great on the truck. It's a nice deep black, heavy duty Line-X, Rhino line, scratch resistant, low profile. Visit truckaccessplus.com so we can ship you one today, free shipping. Visit our store in Phoenix for quick same day install while you wait. In stock.